Young moms, tips for young moms. Being a mom for the first time can be very scary. At every step of the way, it is easy to feel that nothing you are doing is right. Here are some tips to take you through this difficult phase. Try rubbing oils on the back of your neck for a calming scent, maybe lavender oil or even your kids' Johnson & Johnson lotion. Wrapping the baby in a blanket and gently bouncing them on a fitness ball or the edge of the bed also helps keep them calm. If your baby is crying and you're not able to get a handle on the situation, head to the bathroom and run the fan and faucet. Low, droning noises remind your little one of hearing your heartbeat in the uterus. What to do if your toddler is throwing a tantrum? As per studies, for kids to calm down, they need to block out stimulation. So, an easy way is to throw a blanket over a small table and let the kid climb under it. Give him his favorite pillow and give the place a look of a closed cave. This gives the kid the perfect sanctuary he needs to regroup.